Hello dear students, once again we are here with the next part of lesson number 2, as explanation is already done in the previous video and I hope you all have understood the chapter, the royal gift. Okay, so here this is the time to take exercises and question answers of this chapter. So first we will complete book work of this chapter and then we will follow copy work. Okay, so the first one is, we will start with choose the correct answers, okay, from page number 35. As we have studied the chapter that we have to choose the correct answer according to the story of the chapter, okay. So the first one is, the emperor first saw the elephant where? So the second one is the answer, just outside his court, right? Now come to the second one, next page, page number 35. The people were excited because, second one is the answer, they had never seen an elephant before. Okay, this is the answer. You have to tick here in those boxes. Next one is, when the young princess first told the emperor that she knew how to weight the elephant. So the answer is second one. The emperor was happy that his daughter knew the answer. The last one is, this story tells us. What this story tells us? The third one is the answer, that young people can also solve puzzles that grown-ups might find difficult. Okay, so here we have completed, choose the correct answers. Now come to the next page, page number 37, word wall. Here alphabet riddles are there and we have to choose the correct answer. We have to write. So the first sentence is, which letter of the alphabet can you drink? It is T. The answer is already written. So same way we have to write all the answers. The second one is, which letter lives in a hive? Beehive is there na? मधुमक्खी का छत्ता जो होता है. Okay, so it is B. B and B you have to write in the bracket. Third one is, which letter helps you see? It is I. Okay, and EYE you have to write in the bracket like that. Fourth one is, which letter is a body of water? C. C or SEA is the answer. Next one is, why is U the jolliest letter? Because it is in the middle of fun. Okay, in the middle of fun. Next, which letter is at the end of the everything? End of the everything is G. Here you can see G is the end of everything, right? So we are going to write G. Okay, this we have completed. Now come to the next exercise, tools used by people. Here are tools you can see in the picture, like scissor, rake, brush, है ना? All these tools are there, like hose, needle, palette, spade. So these tools we have to fill in on the next page. Here you can see pictures are there of persons who use these tools. First picture is of a gardener. Okay, so gardener's tool here, rake and spade. You can see here. Second picture is of a cook. So cook use what? Pots and pans and ladle. Okay. Third picture is of a tailor, scissors or needle. Fourth picture is of an artist, brush and palette. Can you see that here? Okay. Then fifth picture is of a firefighter. Firefighter use what? Fighters use hose and torch. Hose and torch. Okay, so here we have completed this exercise. Now come to the next exercise. Okay, on page number, it is on page number 40, page number 40. We have to fill A, N, some or the. First sentence is, there is dash vase on the table. Dash vase has 3 red flowers. So there is a vase on the table and the vase has 3 red flowers. Okay. Second one is, I want some milk for my tea. Take the milk that is in the jug. When we talk about particular things, okay, we use the, and when we are not, when we are talking normal things, and it depends on the vowels and consonants, right? So we use a or n, and some we use for little quantity, so here we used some. And in third sentence, I eat an orange every morning. Then the fourth one is, where are the oranges? Means the person is talking about those oranges which he brought, है ना, from the market. So particular oranges. Okay, so here we are going to use the. Next exercise is your alphabetical order. So we are going to circle alphabetical orders one, like mother, mighty, Mandarin. So why Mandarin is the first one? Because you can see MOTHER. I am explaining you first one, then you can understand others also. MO. O comes after when? After, obviously, which letter comes first? I or A? After M. Obviously in alphabet A is the first letter, so here this one is the answer. Suppose in second one, side, scales, stones. So after S we have to check the letter. I is not the first one or the second one, C is the third letter, and T comes very late. So this is the answer, scales. Then in third one, branch is the answer. Bring, branch, break is there, so branch is the answer. Okay. Next, water, weight, wise. So water is the answer. In fifth one, far, full, fame. So you will think that A is also there in far, but we have to check the third letter also, because M comes first and R comes later, right? So this is the answer. Then princess, picture, parrot. So parrot, obviously, because A is the first letter, so this one is the answer. Okay, here we have completed. Now yes, students, see on the screen, there is one letter you have to write on page number 41 in your book, and this is the way you have to write in your book. Okay, I am just going to read it out. This is the letter actually written by the king of China to thank the king of India to gave such a beautiful gift. What was the gift? That elephant, enormous gift. So here is the letter. Dear King of India, thank you for your enormous gift. Everyone was very excited after seeing the elephant. One place is made in the stable for him. We fed it bananas and sugarcane. Children took rides on it. Okay. Thank you again for this gift. Yours sincerely, Emperor of China. This you have to write in your book. So here we have completed all book work. Now this is the time to take copy work. So first we will start with word meanings. Okay. So dear students, here are your word meanings. You have to write in your fair notebook altogether 11 words with their meanings. Okay. Invented, mighty, received, Mandarins, word quickly spread, enormous, okay, curious, then scales, then tugged and sturdy and fame. Okay, so these are the meanings of the words. Like for example, don't be confused in that. See the last one, fame. The answer is to be known by many people. So many people is written here just below the fame. So you don't think like fame is, many people is included in the fame. Okay, be careful when you write these things in your notebook. Now come to the next part, your questions reference to context. Here are your answers reference to context. Okay, this is the these are the lines. What is this? I have never seen anything so big in all my life. It looks like a hill that has come to life and walked here. So who said these lines? The King of China said these lines. What was the person talking about? The person was talking about an elephant. Then what did everyone want to know when they saw it? Everyone wanted to know the weight of the elephant. Okay. Now come to the next questions. That is your read, reflect and write. First question is, why were the people in the story not able to use the scale to weigh the elephant? The people in the story not able to use the weight scales because they had nothing large enough to weight an elephant. Then fourth one is, how can you tell from the story that the people have not seen an elephant before? People, this is the answer, people had not seen an elephant before because they were very surprised to see such an enormous creature. Fifth one is, why do you think the boat went deeper into the water when the elephant was in it? So the boat went deeper into the water because of elephant's weight, right? So here we have completed full chapter, chapter number 2. Okay. What you have to do, I have already told you what you have to do in your notebook and what you are supposed to do in the book. You need to learn the chapter including that poem very well so that you will be able to do the test paper which you are going to get next week. Okay. Till then, prepare well, do your work, complete your work with very beautiful handwriting, and we will surely meet in the next video next week. Till then, take care.